Okay, so this is a regular LED light. It stands for light emitting diode. Notice that one leg is longer than the other. The longer leg's here. And there's a shorter leg. And so basically you need to think about those as the positive and the negative. The longer leg is the positive and the shorter leg is the negative leg. And we're not going to go too much into electronics here outside of just saying positive and negative. And this is a CR2032 battery. You can see that the side that's facing us is positive, and therefore the side away from us is negative. So if we squeeze our LED around there, we get light. In fact, we could get a few on there, try to get more than one to light up, and that's definitely not working. It does sometimes, so it might mean that this battery is a little bit discharged. So I'm going to pause and grab a couple more batteries. Okay, we're back. I found a brand new battery. You can see that it's labeled 3 voltage. I'll come back to that in a second, but let me get this one out. And once again, I can put the long side on the positive, and I'm not getting light. It could be a bad LED. So, and you can also hopefully see that this is much brighter than the last one. Check it out. And so this battery is much more depleted. I'm going to go back to the strong battery and show you that. One battery right now should be able to light up more than one light. I'm also hoping to show you that perhaps all of the lights get a bit dimmer the more I try to add on. That must be another broken LED. LEDs get blown out pretty easily, and we'll show you more about that in a minute. Or, oh yeah, that one's going. You can, I don't know how well you can tell that there's a noticeable brightness difference. If I remove all of these, So anyway, you have a 3-volt coin battery and these LEDs, which it depends on the color. Red ones are usually require between 2 and 2.4 volts, but you'll see blue have a higher requirement. If you look right here, 3 to 3.4 volts. So I'm going to try a couple blue ones and see what happens. So there's a blue one. We probably, well, we got 2 going. That's pretty good. And they're starting to dim out a bit because we're asking a 3-volt battery to power LEDs that require close to 3 volts themselves. So if I sat here and held this, we'd probably see the battery drain just by holding onto LEDs. But that's the most basic way you can turn on an LED. In fact, this is the best way to check LEDs to see if you have bad ones. This is obviously a bad LED, so I'll be throwing it out. So that's LED number 1.